Oh, you went blue, no?
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a bit different than usual. It's a special shout out to my good friend Bevan. We celebrated his birthday with an awesome day of airsoft, and I just wanted to share some of the highlights. So enjoy this little compilation of the day. Let's get at it. Hey Sierra! Face is clear, face is clear. Go, go, go. Run, run, run. I got you, man. Did I get you? Yeah. Oh, no ways! You're technically allowed to shoot me. No, oh! Okay, I'm with you. Do we have the flag? What's the objective here?
We need the flag. The flag was here somewhere.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, hit.
I need covering fire on their base. Okay. Come to these tires over here. Got you!
Yeah!
got it. Coming out.
Oh, it. Dead men don't talk. Yes. I'm out.
I was wounded.
Yeah. There's a flag up there.
I think so. He's not done yet. He's the only one. I think the load button.
How did you go from there to this?
Oh, okay, sorry.
On your shoulder. Oh man! Come on!
Cool. Oh, Charlie! Hit. Hey, dude, lazy asses, get in there before they take our flag down. Yeah. And it's going down, you buggers.
That's a nice move.
Oh, fuck.
I'm going out. Hey, you're out. That's your third shot coming out.
Hit.
Coming out.
Good shot, Charlie.